So, if you just got logged out of Netflix because of a message like payment pending, account on hold, or please retry your payment, don't worry, let's fix this problem easily. So, first you have to open up your Netflix app and go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Now tap the hamburger menu, then go to account section. And now on this page, the first thing you need to check is your payment history. If it shows that your payment is not up to date or failed, that's likely the problem. And now in that case, you have to go to the link netflix.com and now you have to sign in with your account properly. And after signing in, go to manage account. Now check if you accidentally paused your membership for a month. Sometimes that can be the reason. If not, go to the manage payment method. And from here, you must have to update your current payment method or enter new payment details. Make sure all the information is correct, then save it. So once your payment is successfully updated, your account hold will be removed and you will be able to start watching Netflix again. And that's it. Hope this guide helped. Make a like and subscribe for more Netflix tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.